am going to be doing a quick little watch me clean video. I don't believe it's the typical kind of watch me clean video, so if you don't like it, tell me why below. Because I might do it differently next time. I don't really like to show my house off right now because I don't like the place we're living in right now. But definitely, if we get this new place that we had an inspection done on, I will definitely be doing cleaning videos, or watch me clean in that place, because that place won't embarrass me. Alright guys, let's get to going on this cleaning.